Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Today I'll start my topic 2.2, which is properties of real numbers. If a and b are real numbers, their sum is written as a plus b and their product is written as ab or a cross b, or you can denote it by a dot b or brackets of a and b. These are the properties of real numbers with respect to addition and multiplication. So let's discuss with properties of real numbers under addition are as follows. Closure property, commutative property, associative property. So closure property is, if we have two real numbers a and b, we can add them, and the addition, after the addition we get the number c, for example, and that number c belongs to R. As you can see, we have two real numbers a and b, and if we are adding them, we get the answer again in R. For example, minus 3 and 5 belongs to R, and minus 3 plus 5 is equals to 2, which is also the member of R real numbers. Similarly, commutative property, it states that a plus b is equals to b plus a for all a b belongs to R. As you can see here, 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 2 and 5 is equals to 5. Similarly, associative property, we add a number c here and the property is called associative property. A plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c for all abc belongs to R. Similarly, additive identity, if we add any real number in another real number and the answer is the real number a itself, so this property is called additive identity. There exists a unique real number 0 called additive identity such that a plus 0 is equals to a is equals to 0 plus a for all a belongs to R. Similarly, additive inverse, if we add minus of a number, we get the answer 0. This is the additive identity of real numbers. So we call this number as additive inverse. A belongs to R, then minus a is unique. It also belongs to R. Properties of real numbers under multiplication. These properties are same as properties of real number under addition. Closure property. If AB belongs to R, then A into B belongs to R. Similarly, commutative. AB is equals to BA for all AB belongs to R. Associative property, AB into C is equals to A into BC. This belongs to R because A, B and C belongs to R. Multiplicative identity, as you can see, additive identity is 0 of real numbers. Similarly, multiplicative identity of real numbers is 1. There exists a unique real number 1 called multiplicative identity such that a into 1 is equals to a is equals to 1 into a for all a belongs to R. Similarly, multiplicative inverse. For every non-zero real number, there exists a unique real number a inverse, or you can write it as 1 by a called multiplicative inverse of a, such that if we multiply a by a inverse, we get the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative inverse is the number which we multiply and we get the multiplicative identity. Similarly, in additive property, addition property, we get additive identity. As you can see, 5 belongs to R, also 1 by 5 belongs to R. It is a rational number, so it belongs to R. If we multiply them, we get the multiplicative identity. So 5 and 1 by 5 are multiplicative inverse of each other. These are the properties of real numbers. Multiplication is distributive over addition and subtraction. For all ABC belongs to R, A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. This is the left distributive law. And A plus B into C is equals to AC plus BC. This is the right distributive law. This is an example of this law. 2, 3, 5 belongs to R, then 2 into 3 plus 5 is equals to 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5. Similarly, for subtraction, we have ABC belongs to R and A into B minus C is equals to AB minus AC. This is the left distributive law because we are multiplying A from the left side. And this is the right distributive law because we are multiplying C from the right side. For example, 2, 5, 3 belongs to R, then 2 into 5 minus 3 is equals to 2 into 5 minus 2 into 3. 4 is equals to 4. Also, these are the properties of equality of real numbers. You can see this is not the symbol. This symbol means for all. This symbol always means for all. A is multiplicative inverse of A inverse. So we can write A is equals to A inverse of inverse. A inverse inverse. Properties of equality of real numbers. There are three properties of equality of real numbers: reflexive property, symmetric property and transitive property. So reflexive property is if A belongs to R, then A is equals to A. Every number is equal to itself. Symmetry property. If AB belongs to R, then A is equals to B. If A is equals to B, then B is equals to A. This is the symmetric property of real numbers. Similarly, this is the transitive property of real numbers. If A is equals to B, B is equals to C, then A must equals to C. For all ABC belongs to R. Additive property. If A is equals to B, then if we add something in both sides, then these two equations are equal. A is equals to B, then A plus C is equals to B plus C. Multiplicative property. If A is equals to B, then A into C is equals to B into C. Cancellation property for addition. If A plus C is equals to B plus C, then we can cancel C from both of the sides and we get A is equals to B. Cancellation property for multiplication. If A into C is equals to B into C and C is not equals to 0, then we can divide both sides by C, and after cancellation we get A is equals to B. For all ABC belongs to R. Properties of inequalities of real numbers. Properties of inequalities of real numbers are as follows: trichotomy property, transitive property, additive property, multiplicative property, multiplicative inverse property. Trichotomy property states that for all AB belongs to R, one of them must hold. Either A is less than B, or A is greater than B, or A is equals to B. One of them must hold. Transitive property. If ABC belongs to R and A is less than B, B is less than C, then A must be less than C. This implies A is less than C. If A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then it implies A is greater than C. Additive property. For all ABC belongs to R, if A is less than B, then it implies A plus C is less than B plus C. Because we are adding the same number C, so this equation is less than B plus C. If A is greater than B, then A plus C is greater than B plus C. Similarly, if A is less than B, then C plus A is less than C plus B. Because A is less than B. Similarly, if A is greater than B, then C plus A is greater than C plus B, because A is greater than B. Multiplicative property. For all ABC belongs to R and C is greater than 0, C is a real number, ABC belongs to R is also a real number. So A is greater than B implies A into C is greater than BC. A is greater than B implies CA is greater than CB. We just change the order of multiplication. If A is less than B, then AC is less than BC, and if A is less than B, it implies CA is less than CB. For all ABC belongs to R and C is less than 0, A is greater than B. This implies AC is less than BC, and if A is greater than B, this implies CA is less than CB. This is also the property of multiplicative real numbers. Multiplicative inverse property. For all AB belongs to R and A is not equals to 0 and B is also not equals to 0, if A is less than B, this implies 1 over A is greater than 1 over B. Always remember, if we change the real number in fraction form, then this equality sign reverse its position. Similarly, you can see if A is greater than B, this implies if and only if 1 over A is less than 1 over B. We change AB into fraction form, so this equality sign reverse its direction. I hope you understand. Thank you.